Hi guys, welcome to Digit. Today we'll be unboxing the Sony WI-C400 wireless stereo headset. The device is in this compact box packaging over here. The device comes with Bluetooth connectivity, HD calling, up to 20 hours of battery life, as well as voice assistant support. The stereo headset is of the neckband style form factor. You can see there's some information over here at the back about the build, but there's not a lot. So let's get straight into the unboxing. In the box, you have the user manual for the WI-C400. You also have a more detailed manual over here with terms and conditions. You have earbuds for customization and the micro USB charging cable. And here you have the device itself, the WI-C400 wireless stereo headset. On the device itself, on the side, you have these little options that you can use to adjust the length of the cable to your ear. On the headset itself, on the left hand side, you have the volume controls, the power option, and the play and pause button. You also have the little microphone over here. And then you have the corresponding right hand side of the stereo headset. And that's it. Thank you for watching.